This machine doesn't just level ground, it perfects it to millimeter precision. This is the heavy-duty motor grader, the precision master of road construction. Equipped with a long, adjustable blade, it creates perfectly smooth and level surfaces where accuracy matters most. From highways and airstrips to mining roads, this machine fine-tunes the ground after the heavy work is done. Advanced hydraulic controls allow operators to shape slopes, curves, and drainage with incredible control. Built for tough environments, it works long hours without compromise. Reliable, powerful, and exact, the heavy-duty motor grader is the final touch that transforms rough terrain into safe, high-quality roads built to last. This truck doesn't haul loads, it moves mountains in a single trip. This is the ultra-class mining dump truck, a true giant of the mining world. Designed to carry hundreds of tons of rock, ore, and earth, it operates where ordinary trucks simply can't survive. Powered by massive diesel-electric engines, this machine delivers unstoppable torque and reliability in extreme conditions. Its enormous tires, reinforced frame, and advanced braking systems ensure safety and control despite its incredible size. Working non-stop in open-pit mines, these trucks keep global industries running. This isn't just transportation, it's raw industrial power engineered to handle the heaviest jobs on Earth.
This machine doesn't break rocks, it turns mountains into usable material. This is the Mobile Rock Crusher, a powerful solution for on-site material processing. Instead of hauling massive rocks to distant plants, this machine brings the crushing operation directly to the work zone. Using heavy-duty jaws or impact systems, it breaks solid rock into precise, reusable sizes in minutes. Mounted on tracks or wheels, it moves easily across rough terrain while working non-stop. From mining and quarrying to road construction and recycling, this machine saves time, fuel, and cost. Efficient, reliable, and extremely tough, the Mobile Rock Crusher transforms raw stone into the backbone of modern infrastructure.
This machine doesn't build roads in pieces, it creates them in one unstoppable flow. This is the slip-form paver, a precision-engineered machine that revolutionizes concrete road construction. Instead of pouring and shaping concrete in separate steps, it continuously forms smooth, perfectly aligned surfaces as it moves forward. Guided by advanced sensors and controls, the slip-form paver delivers consistent thickness, strength, and finish, mile after mile. From highways and airport runways to tunnels and barriers, this machine works non-stop with incredible accuracy. Its efficiency reduces labor, speeds up projects, and ensures long-lasting results. Trusted worldwide, the slip-form paver proves that modern infrastructure is built by machines that never compromise on precision or performance.
This machine doesn't dig the ground, it dominates it. Meet the Volvo EC500 Crawler Excavator. The Volvo EC500 Crawler Excavator is built for serious power and unstoppable performance on the toughest job sites. Designed for heavy-duty excavation, mining, and large-scale construction, this machine delivers exceptional digging force, stability, and fuel efficiency. Its advanced hydraulic system provides smooth, precise control, allowing operators to work faster with absolute confidence. The reinforced undercarriage and massive bucket capacity make it perfect for handling extreme loads without compromise. Inside the cab, Volvo's intelligent, operator-focused design ensures comfort, safety, and full visibility throughout long working hours. Reliable, powerful, and engineered to last, the Volvo EC500 is not just a machine, it's a productivity powerhouse built to lead every project from the front. When ordinary cranes give up, this giant takes over. Meet the machine that lifts the impossible. This is the giant crawler crane,
a heavy-lifting powerhouse built to handle the world's most demanding construction projects. Moving on massive crawler tracks, it stays stable while lifting loads weighing hundreds, sometimes thousands of tons. From skyscrapers and bridges to power plants and wind turbines, this machine delivers unmatched strength and precision. Its long boom, advanced counterweight system, and slow, controlled movements make every lift safe and accurate. Engineers trust it where failure is not an option. This isn't just a crane, it's a symbol of modern engineering, proving that with the right machine, nothing is too heavy to lift.
This machine doesn't dig, it devours the earth. Meet the giant that never sleeps. This is the bucket wheel excavator, one of the largest and most powerful mining machines ever built. Instead of stopping and scooping like normal excavators, this monster uses a massive rotating wheel fitted with buckets that continuously carve through earth, coal, and rock. Every rotation moves tons of material in seconds, feeding conveyor systems with unstoppable efficiency. Designed for open-pit mining, it operates day and night with incredible precision and reliability. When this machine is working, the ground disappears like it was never there. This isn't just heavy machinery, it's industrial power on a colossal scale.
This machine doesn't just pour concrete, it delivers it with precision from the sky. This is the concrete boom pump, a critical machine behind modern skyscrapers and massive construction projects. Mounted on a powerful truck chassis, its long, flexible, robotic arm can reach incredible heights and tight spaces where ordinary methods fail. With smooth hydraulic control, it pumps concrete exactly where engineers need it, fast, clean, and efficient. This precision saves time, reduces labor, and ensures stronger structures from the ground up. From high-rise buildings to bridges and mega foundations, this machine keeps projects moving without delay. Reliable, powerful, and accurate, the concrete boom pump is the silent force shaping today's skyline.